Good morning students, welcome to chemistry online class. In this session we will discuss the solved problems from the lesson atoms and molecules. Okay. Calculation based on molar volume. Calculate the volume occupied by 2.5 mole of carbon dioxide at STP. Okay. We know the formula is number of moles is equal to given volume divided by molar volume. Okay, we want to find the given volume, that is volume. So, volume of carbon dioxide gas at STP is equal to number of moles into molar volume is 22.4. So, 22.4. Okay. So, number of moles is provided, that is 2.5. 2.5 into molar volume is 22.4. Okay. 2.5 into 22.4 by multiplying 2.5 into 22.4, we get the answer is 56 liters. So, 2.5 mole of the carbon dioxide at the STP, it occupies the volume is 56 liters. The second one is 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules of ammonia gas. Okay. We want to calculate the volume occupied by the ammonia gas. The formula is volume of ammonia gas is equal to number of moles into molar volume. Based on the data, for finding the number of moles, the formula is number of molecules divided by Avogadro number into molar volume, that is 22.4. Okay. Number of molecules is 3.011 into 10 power 23 divided by Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23 into molar volume is 22.4. Okay. So, 10 power 23, 10 power 23 gets cancelled. 3.011 divided by 6.023 is 2. 22.4 divided by 2, the value is 11.2 liters. So, 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules of ammonia occupies the volume is 11.2 liter. And then third problem is calculate the volume occupied by 14 gram of the nitrogen gas. The formula is volume of nitrogen gas is equal to number of moles into molar volume. Based on the data, for finding the number of moles, the formula is given mass divided by gram molecular mass into molar volume, that is 22.4. Okay. Given mass is 14 gram. Gram molecular mass of the nitrogen is nitrogen, it contains N2 molecule, it contains 2 nitrogen atoms, 2 into N. Nitrogen, its atomic mass is 14. So, 2 into 14 is equal to 28. Given mass is 14, gram molecular mass is 28 and then molar volume is 22.4. Okay. By simplifying 2 and then here 11.2, that is 14 divided by 28. We get the answer is 1 by 2 into 22.4. We will get the answer 11.2. So the answer is 11.2 liters. So 14 gram of the nitrogen gas occupies the volume is 11.2 liter. The next one is calculation based on percentage composition. The problem is calculate the percentage of sulfur in sulfuric acid. Calculate the percentage of sulfur in sulfuric acid. The formula is mass percentage of sulfur in sulfuric acid is equal to mass of the sulfur present in sulfuric acid divided by molar mass of the sulfuric acid, okay, into 100. First of all, we want to find the molar mass of the sulfuric acid. Molar mass of the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, it contains 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 into H plus 1 sulfur atom. 1 into S plus 4 oxygen atoms. 4 into O. Atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1. Sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16. So 2 plus 32 plus 64 is equal to 98. So molar mass of the sulfuric acid is 98. Okay. Sulfuric acid, it contains 1 sulfur atom. It contains 1 sulfur atom. Its atomic mass is 32. Now, substituting the mass of the sulfur present in the sulfuric acid divided by molar mass of the sulfuric acid, that is 32 divided by 98 into 100. By simplifying 32 divided by 98 into 100, the value is 32.65%. So, sulfuric acid, it contains 32.65% of the sulfur. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, students. Thank you.